Welcome back. From the last session, so I was stopped here. So about how to write R program, how to write commands in R program. The first line, so that begins with the hash symbol, so that is called as comment. And second line, so I use one variable called as my string. So it assigns hello world, so string to variable called as my string. So like other programming language, so in our programming language, we no need to explicitly declare the variable. So here, so it will take my string variable as a string data type automatically. And then, so last line, that is print my string, so that it will print the value of my string, that is hello world, so in the console. Okay, so what are the different data types in our programming language? So data type indicates, so what types of data, what are the different types of data the program can handle. So there are different data types available in our program. So that is logical data type, numeric data type, integer data type, complex data type and character data type. So all these are associated with the vectors or matrix or data frame or factors, etc. The very first one is logical data type. So actually it takes only two values, so that is true and false, or it may take a T or F, yes or no, like this. So only two values it will take, 1 or 0. So 1 means true and 0 means false. And second data type we have numeric data type. So numeric data type may take the integer value with the fractional and without fractional values. For example, 5, 3, 14. So these are the different numeric data types. And one more data type is integer data type. So integer data type will hold only the numbers without any fractional part. So that maybe example is 2L, 34L, 0L. So this is the example for integer data type. So that here the numeric value that should be ended with the letter L, capital L. So then it is automatically considered as a integer data type. And next data type we have complex data type. So complex data type, for example, 3 plus 2i. So actually it contains two parts. The first part is called as real part, that is 3, and second part is an imaginary part, so that is 2, where imaginary part should ends with the I. And last one is character data type. So in character data type, so that any characters, character may be alphabets, uppercase, lowercase alphabets, or numerics, or any other characters. So that should be enclosed between single quote or double quote. So that is called as character data type. For example, A or hello or true. So all these are different, so character data types. So these are the 5 different data types that is handled by R programming language. So let me discuss about data structures. So different data structures available in R. So actually data structure means so how data will be organized. So means multiple data, how it gets organized. So in particular object or in memory, how it will be organized in the memory. So that is called as data structure. So there are several built-in data structures that allow you to organize and manipulate data efficiently in our programming language. So mainly we have 6 different data structures. The first one is called as vector, so atomic vectors or numeric vectors, and second one is matrix, third one is list, fourth one data frames, fifth one arrays, and sixth one is called as factors. So in this slide we can see how it will organize the elements of the data structure. The first one is called as vectors. So this is actually the block diagram of vector data structures. So where the elements are stored in sequential manner. The first element will be stored in first box and second element gets stored in second box third element gets stored in third box. So elements will be stored in sequential manner, so that it can hold only one row at a time. And second type of data structure we have matrix. So matrix actually, so it contains two dimension. The first dimension is called as rows and second dimension is called as columns. So where the first box, so we can refer it as 1 1, and second box first row, second column 1 2, and third box, this box, the first row, third column 1 3, and here this is second row. So second row means 2 1. So second row first column, second row second column, second row third column 2 3, like this, and next 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. So like this, so that it can hold so maximum elements, maximum data compared to vector data structure. And third data structure we have called as arrays. So arrays is also one data structure, so it hold so more than the matrix data structure. So here, so maybe, so it contains the dimension that is more than 2, that is matrix. So more than 2 dimension, so that is called as arrays. So it holds the data so in 3 dimensional manner, so that it can hold so 3 into 3 into 3. So where vector can hold only 3 elements, so matrix can hold 3 into 3, 9 elements, and this array can hold 3 into 3 into 3. So total 27 elements. Or if it is more than 3 also, so maybe, so it contains 3 dimension, 4 dimension, 5 dimension, so that is called as arrays. And fourth one we have data frames. So data frame is also one type of data structure. So it is just like a matrix. The only difference between matrix and data frame, so data frame can hold heterogeneous data elements, where the matrix can hold only homogeneous data elements. Homogeneous means only one type of element. If it is numeric matrix means, so it can hold only numeric values. But in data frame, so that first row it will hold numeric data, and second row, so it can hold character data, and third row, so it can able to hold logical data, like that. So that different types of data that can hold, that is called as data frames. And last, the data structure is called as list. So here the list, so it can hold multiple object, so multiple components. So maybe first object is matrix, and second object may be arrays, or third object again vector, and fourth object may be, so it can hold the list object list itself. So that, so list can hold multiple object. So these are the different types of data structure that we can handle in our programming language. So in this, so I will conclude so this session. So in this session we discussed about the different data types and different data structures, so that R can deal with. Thank you.